Great. By when do you need these designs? अरे बाबा, अगले महीने की 4 तारीख से पहले कभी भी दे दो. That sounds a little vague. But anyway, tell me who will be the owner of these creatives after the project goes live? अरे we'll sort that out ना, no worries. तुम बस काम शुरू करो. And which payment mode do you use to pay your freelancers? जैसे तुम बोलो वैसे कर देंगे. तुम टेंशन मत लो. Just start the work. Okay, so looking at how you guys function, I think I'll be sending over my freelance contract. We'll iron out all these details and then I'll start the work. Hello and welcome back to KoolKanya. I am Sakshi and we help you kill it at work while also having a life. As you saw in the skit, the client was trying very hard to push down vague details down the freelancer's throat. But with this video, we'll help you get more perspective and help you navigate through deliverables and payments while using a freelance contract or agreement. इस वीडियो में हम इन सब चीजों के बारे में डिटेल में बात करने वाले हैं. But before we move forward, I have to address a very pressing issue. Kidding, not so much of a pressing issue, but just a teeny tiny request. If you're new here, then please take a moment to hit the subscribe button right underneath this video and also hit the notifications bell icon to stay updated to our content. With that detail out of the way, let's dive into the video. Chapter 1. What is a freelance agreement or contract? It is a document shared between the client and the freelancer. ये आपके प्रोजेक्ट के टर्म्स एंड कंडीशंस को आउटलाइन करता है. वैसे तो ये दोनों की तरफ से शेयर किया जा सकता है, बट आइडियली as a freelancer, you should have the ownership of a contract and tweak it according to different projects. This type of an agreement or contract is usually created for tasks and projects that are taken outside of the employee and employer relationship. Now that we know what a freelance agreement and contract is, let's understand its benefits and how it will help you get out of sticky situations while working with clients. Chapter 2. Why create a freelance contract or agreement? Don't be so dramatic. The banks are not working. I've wired it to you. You should get your money by EOD.
I'm emailing with the bank right now.
I do not have time for this. I do not have time for you. It will help you get paid. Let's be honest. Clients start channelizing their inner Anna Delvey the moment it's time for them to pay you your dues. So in a world full of misers, a freelance contract or agreement bound by law will save you from getting conned by chindi-clients. Apart from the payments, the contract will also protect you from intellectual property theft and needless disputes. It will also help you get a clear direction of your tasks and help you get done with it in time and the right way. If not followed by the client strictly, it will help you hold them accountable too. Chapter 3. What to include in an agreement. Now a lot of you might slack off thinking, कौन करे इतनी मेहनत? But you must do this मेहनत because you don't want to keep asking for your worth and payments that are rightfully yours. So here's a list of clauses that you must include in your contract. Scope of work, timelines of the contract, termination and commencement, payment timeline and mode, verification and basic information, end product ownership, non-disclosure, right to disclose and confidentiality, changes and revisions, a valid consideration under Section 2D India Contract Act 1872. We'll talk more about these clauses in the part 2 of this video, wherein we'll make a deeper dive into each clause. So do tune in for that. If you found this video helpful and would like to watch more of our content, then do hit the subscribe, like and share button. And do leave a comment below asking for all your doubts, questions, even the stupidest ones about how to create a freelance contract or agreement in India. Until next time, raise your power.